Looking for the best DeWalt chainsaw in 2026? In this video, we'll explore the top DeWalt chainsaws you can buy right now for cutting firewood, trimming branches, yard maintenance, and demanding outdoor projects. Let's find the right DeWalt chainsaw for your needs. Starting at number 1. DeWalt Chainsaw Pruning CRDLS 20V. The DeWalt 20V Max 8-inch Pruning Chainsaw, DCCS 623B, is a compact and lightweight cordless chainsaw designed for pruning branches and handling small cutting jobs around the yard. Powered by a 20V Max battery system, it features an 8-inch low kickback bar and chain for efficient cutting, while its compact design makes it easier to maneuver in tight spaces and overhead. With cordless convenience and DeWalt's durable construction, this pruning chainsaw is a practical choice for homeowners, landscapers, and DIY users who need a portable tool for routine tree and shrub maintenance. Number 2. DeWalt FlexVolt Chainsaw 60V. The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw with a 16-inch bar is a powerful cordless chainsaw designed for demanding cutting, pruning, and firewood tasks. Its FlexVolt battery system delivers the power needed for cutting larger branches and logs while providing the convenience of cordless operation. The 16-inch bar offers a good balance of cutting capacity and maneuverability, while DeWalt's durable construction makes this chainsaw a reliable choice for homeowners, landscapers, and professionals who need strong performance without the hassle of gas. Number 3. DeWalt 60V Max Brushless Chainsaw. The DeWalt 60V Max Brushless Chainsaw, DCCS 672B, is a powerful cordless chainsaw designed for demanding cutting tasks around the yard, job site, or property. Featuring a high-performance brushless motor and an 18-inch bar, it provides strong cutting power for handling larger branches and logs while eliminating the need for gas and routine engine maintenance. Its cordless design offers convenient mobility, and the durable construction makes it a reliable choice for homeowners, landscapers, and professionals seeking powerful chainsaw performance. Number 4. Tinkel Electric Pole Saw. The Tinkel Electric Pole Saw is a versatile and efficient tool designed for yard work, featuring a battery-powered operation and dimensions of 50-inch L x 7.68, W x 5.51 h. It is important to note that the product does not include a battery, as it is compatible exclusively with DeWalt 20V Max and 60V Flex batteries. This innovative tool offers a 2-in-1 functionality, allowing users to easily switch from a pole saw to a chainsaw, making it a space-saving solution for tackling tough yard tasks. With an 8-inch guide bar and a 1/4 pitch chain, the cordless pole saw efficiently powers through limbs, streamlining yard cleanup. The built-in automatic oiler ensures smooth cuts and prolongs chain life, while a clear battery gauge displays power levels to prevent unexpected interruptions. The advanced brushless motor delivers superior power, higher efficiency, and a longer lifespan for relentless performance. Additionally, the adjustable head rotates 180 degrees and 360 degrees, providing full control for reaching difficult branches with ease. Toolless tensioning allows for quick chain adjustments without the need for extra tools, ensuring optimal safety and performance. The extendable pole can reach heights of up to 15 feet, easily adjusting from 5 feet to 9 feet for enhanced versatility in trimming tasks. Number 5. DeWalt DCCS 620B 20V Max. The DeWalt DCCS 620B 20V Max XR brushless 12-inch compact chainsaw is a lightweight and powerful cordless tool designed for pruning, trimming, and cutting small to medium-sized branches. Its efficient brushless motor delivers reliable performance and extended runtime, while the compact 12-inch bar provides excellent maneuverability for yard work and property maintenance. As a tool-only model, it is ideal for users who already own compatible DeWalt 20V Max batteries, offering cordless convenience without the need for gas or complicated maintenance. Thanks for watching. All product links for your purchase are available in the video description. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides.